Hello, this is my IPCV assignment. This is the video that I'm going to do describing the pipeline as mentioned in task 4. So, first of all, this is my pipeline that I am going to describe. First, we are going to tackle how my dataset was created, taking images of all three bread types, uploading them on Roboflow, and connecting images into the correct classes. So, basically, uh, I had these three folders full of images that I took. This is for baguettes. These are the images that I took for baguettes. These are for the Maltese loaf. Images I took and I found on the internet of the Maltese loaf. And this is for the packed bread. Uh, then I went on to Roboflow. I uploaded the files through here. And then I allocated, I went to the dataset and I allocated each file to his respective class. For this instance, it was the baguette. So if I go back, I can see the classes here. I have this amount of images in each class. With the red, it's the baguette. With the green, it's the Maltese loaf. With the purple, it's the baked bread. And then I trained my dataset by going through here, train, and I believe it was custom training. And then after that we can go to dataset versions. These are all the datasets that because it was a trial and error, because there were some bread that weren't being detected great, so I trained again and again and again and again until I eventually, because and the first time I was going to use so these were using أقطع postly instead of baguettes, but that resulted in errors between multi-slope and أقطع postly because of this here. So I switched to baguette and then I retrained this model. I downloaded the dataset as this and YOLO V8 for the assignment, and then we went to the code. Um, so basically in the pipeline we have, this is what I just explained. Then we have model training. Then I trained my model on Google Colab. Then I downloaded Ultralytics, some modules that I needed for the purpose of training. So we are explaining this model training. Then here I am training. I am going through the images in the dataset and training the model for each image to essentially make it able to um, detect images depending on the bread types. This is question 2 of task 4, where I am being asked to detect different bread. So I made this function which essentially allows you to input more than one image for the purpose, so I can test all three images. It's a for loop that loops through the images and shows. So this is the baguette, this is the Maltese loaf, this is the baked bread. This is for the hands. So I uploaded the video here. This was a demo video for detecting my hand. I uploaded it here. Then I passed it through this algorithm, which is detecting my hand and exporting back the hand detection movement as this folder. And then I am uh, downloading that file export. This is the video that I gave the algorithm. Shows basically me moving my hand around, and this is the video that was outputted by the algorithm, which shows how my hand is being detected. um, well, that is the pipeline for the hand detection, which was implement media pipeline hands for real-time hand tracking and combine YOLO to detect hand tracking. And then we have real-time detection, which basically we upload a video of me grabbing the bread. The algorithm identifies the hand detection and also alerts the user that he grabbed bread, and also, which is not listed here, he tells you the type of bread that is being detected. Then I upload this video. I uploaded this video grabbing the bread. I think this. So I uploaded this video, which essentially shows me grabbing a baguette from the bread bin. So essentially, we have this is the name of the video that was uploaded, grabbing food. So he takes this video. These are the settings that were used for the video. Then we have this function show alert that essentially displays a show alert that the user has grabbed is touching the bread. Um, that happens when I grab the bread, and this is the while loop that essentially goes through the frames to detect if the user has grabbed the bread or not, and also um, how to detect which type of bread. Um, uh, this is where he says which type of bread and the alert where it is put, and then he goes through all this and he outputs this output.mp4, and here I am downloading the video output.mp4, which is this video. So we can see my hand detection, opening the bread bin and getting the baguette out, showing us that it's a baguette. It's a baguette. Alert hand touching bread, bread typing is baguette. So that was the video, and that is essentially my pipeline explanation. These are some which I use to try and export the graphs for the metrics, but that essentially is my pipeline explanation for how I did my model training, etc. These are some metrics that was downloaded from Roboflow, and these are some metrics downloaded from the Google Colab. Thank you.